Yeah, children. So time and work. Already we have done some questions, children. Next question. Time and work. Okay. So from 10th question onwards, I'm doing children. 10th two. Okay. Exercise 11.1. Addition. Time and work for 8 weeks. Then the question is there like this. What is the question means? So they are saying that A and B can finish work in children. A is written here, children. Okay, A and B can finish work in 10 days. A and B can finish the work in 10 days. Okay, A and B can finish a work in 10 days. A alone can do one-fourth of it in 12 days. A alone can do one-fourth of work in 12 days. In 12 days, one-fourth of the work in 12 days. Okay, in how many days B alone can do it? Question: in how many days B alone can do it? In how many days? This is the question. Anyone wants to say? Vedant, you want to say?
Yes, sir.
Lot of disturbance. Video recording. Pravalika, you listen. Rishikesh, you want to say?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell.
The one-fourth of the work can be done in 12 days. Then
What the work is how many?
whole work can be done in how many days?
Okay.
12 into 1 is equals to 1 by 4 into x. X is equals to 48 days.
A and O.
A alone can do it in 48
48.
days.
Now A and B.
A and B can do the work is equals to 1 by
A
x,
work in 1 by X, B work in 1 by Y. In 1 day they can do 1/10 of
1 by 10.
1 by
1 by 48 plus 1 by y is sorry, plus okay, is equals to 1 by 10. 1y is equals to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 48. LCM is
10 and 48 and units.
480, sir.
480, sir.
480. 10, 48, sir.
10 48 are 110 are 1 by y is equals to 38 by 480. Okay, 480 by 38 is y. Then two table is
91, 90. 19, sir. 38. So how many days?
12
In
12 by 19 days.
12 by 19 days. We alone
Can do the work.
complete the work. Okay, we alone can do the work in this way. We alone. Okay, we alone. Next. Okay, Ravina, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Question is like this. A and B can finish working. A and B can finish working 20 days. A alone can do 1/5 of work in 12 days. Same question. In how many days B can do? Same question.
Sir, 1/5 work is equals to 12 days.
1/5 work in 12 days.
One
1/5 part of the work is
one
how many days?
one is x days. 4 in 1 by 5. 1 into 12 is equals to 12. X is equals to 60 days.
8 takes 60 days.
A takes 60 days. 1 by x plus 1 by y is equals to 20 days. 1 by 20 days. 1 by 60 plus 1 by y is equals to 1 by 20. 1 by y is equals to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 60.
Wait. Sujit, tell me the simplification. Sujit, tell me simplification 20 and 60 LCM.
Yes, sir.
20 and 60 LCM. 60.
60 by
20 goes in 3 times.
30, 3 minus
60 goes in 1 time. 3 minus 1?
2 by 60.
1 by 30.
1 by 3, 30.
Take reciprocal, y is equal to?
Y is equal to 30 days.
Can you tell me the statement? B takes? B takes 30 days to complete the work alone. Say once.
30 days to complete work alone.
Alone we will take that. Okay. Next. But children, I hope you are copying. Everyone should copy. Children, no one is sitting there. Everyone should copy. Okay, Sujit. After class, I will ask you to share your notes. If you didn't copy anything else, not good. No one gets it. I'll ask everyone's notes. Okay, to your question. Next, Meghna. A and B can do a piece of work in 20 minutes. A and B can do a piece of work in 20 minutes. Okay, to the question. B and B alone can do a work in 50 minutes. B alone can do work in 50 minutes. Okay, they work together for 2 days. For 2 days, they work together. Work together. Meghna, make your audience. I was asking. They work together for 2 days. And then A goes away. Then A leaves. Then A leaves. Okay, A leaves. In how many days B will do remaining work? B will do remaining work in how many days? In how many days? In how many days? See, A and B can together work in 20 days, children. B alone in 50 days. Both of them work together for 2 days. After that, A leaves. Then B will do remaining work. In how many days he will complete the work? Meghana, can you tell Nana?
Yes, sir.
A and B in 1 day, how much work?
1 by 20.
1 by 20. In 2 days?
2 days, 2 into 1 by 20, 2 by
2 by
20.
20 of work is
In 2 days
completed.
is completed.
Means 1/10 of work. 1/10 of work is
Completed is
over. Now remaining work who has to do? B.
B.
B has to do remaining work. And a lot of disturbance is there. Okay. So B takes 1 day, 1 by 15th of work. B takes 1 day, 1 by 15th of work. Okay, children? No, okay, anyway, just listen here, children. So one, see children, A and B together completes work in 1 by 20, 1 day, 1 by 20th of work. In 2 days, 2 by 20th of work. So 1/10 of work is over. 1/10 of work is over. If 1/10 of work is over, how much work is left over? 9 by 10th of work is left over. 9 by 10th of work is left. Okay, so B has to do that. In 1 day, B will do how much work, children? 1 by 50. In 1 day, we will do 1 by 50. In how many days he will complete 9 by 10? In how many days he will complete 9 by 10? Cross multiplication. Sujit, tell me cross multiplication.
1 into 1 into 9 by 10 is equal to x into 1 by 15.
This goes here.
X is equal to 15 into 9 by 10.
Tell.
To,
In
13 day 13
1 by
1
2
by
days,
2 days
we will complete
complete
remaining work. Okay, so in 31 by 2 means in 13.5 days, we will do remaining work. Normally, he can do it in 50 days, but since system work is over, in 31 by 2, in 13.5 days, we will complete the remaining work in 13.5 days. Okay, I hope you understood. If you didn't understand, go to next one, please try to understand. Okay, so this is for you. Please keep copying check. Nobody is sitting there. Second question. Right? Second question. A can do a piece of work in 40 days. A can do a piece of work in 40 days. And B can do a piece of work in 45 days. B can do a piece of work in 45 days. If they work together for 10 days. They work together for 10 days. They work together for 10 days. Okay, they work together for 10 days. After that, B goes up. B leaves after working for 10 days, B leaves. After, if B leaves after 10 days, in how many days A will finish the remaining work? In how many days A will finish remaining work? Okay. Nadika, can you tell me, Nadika? Pravalika?
there is a lot of disturbance, sir.
Okay. Pravalika, can you do it?
Yes.
Can you do it, Pravalika?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. A's 1 day work is 1 by 40. Okay. Raghuram, can you do it?
Yes, sir.
A's 1 day work is 1 by
1
40.
by 40.
B's 1 day work is,
1 by 45.
they worked like this for how many days? 10 days.
10 days.
In 1 day, how much work they will complete? 40 and 45, let's see.
40 and 45. 90. 180, sir.
Will take how much will take 40 and 45, let's see. 900 will take. No. 450. No. See, we have to do
Sir, 45, 4, sir.
by 8 not 5.
360, sir.
360. 360.
Yes, sir.
40 into what you said 360?
40 into 90, sir.
9. Just 9. 45 into how much you said 360?
40, 45, 6, sir.
No, 8 side. 8 by 8 side.
It's 8, 8.
So 70 by 360.
360.
In 1 day.
In 1. Yes, sir.
In 1 day. In 10 days.
In 10 days, 17 by 360 is equals to 10 into 17 by 360.
17 by 36 of
Later.
work is
56.
work is
Done in 10 days.
over.
Over.
Now how much work is remaining work? 1 minus
1 minus 17 by 36.
this is remaining work.
Yes,
Remaining work. 36 is there.
36 is the LCM. 36 minus 17 is equals to
How
7.
much 36
19,
minus 17?
19 by 36.
19 by 36 of work is
Remaining.
remaining. Okay, now who has to do that work? A.
A has to do it.
In A, in 1 day, how much work you will complete?
In 1 day, 1 by 40 work.
In how many days he will complete
90
by 36 of work? Sujit, can you cross multiplication? Sujit,
1 into 19 by 36 is equal to x into 1 by 40.
okay. X is equal to
By 36
4 10s are 4 9s
x is
are 190 by 9. Can we division?
9 yes.
So 21 1 by
21 1 by 9 days.
A will complete
A will complete
remaining work.
remaining work.
How much is remaining work? This much is remaining. Okay, children, like this you have to do. If you do slowly in steps, children, you will understand everything. It's not a rocket science. Very easy question, children. How much you practice this, that much it will be good, children, for your future. Because in 10th class, like this, some system, and in all competitive exams also like this question. In 10th class, it is there. Okay, in linear equations and quadratic equations like this comes up. Okay, children, next one, putting some. So see here, children, putting some. Rishikesh, putting some. So putting some goes like this. Ashish can paint his doll in 20 minutes. Ashish can paint his doll in 20 minutes. Okay, whereas his sister Chinky can do in 50 minutes. Chinky can do the same diagram in painting in 25 minutes. Okay, they paint the doll together for 5 minutes. 5 minutes they painted together. 5 minutes they painted together. 5 minutes they painted together. After 5 minutes painting children, what happens is they have quarrel Chinky left. Chinky left. So how much time Ashish will take to complete work? Ashish takes how much time to complete remaining work? Veda, can you tell now? Veda?
Sir, there is still.
Oh, okay. Leave it. Okay, Rishikesh, can you tell this now? Rishikesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, Ashish can do 1 by 20 of work and 1 by 25.
20 and 25.
LCM 100. Then
20.
5s are plus 4s are
For the
9 by 100
in 1
in 1 day.
in 1 minute. In 1 minute.
Yes, sir. 1
In
minute.
5 minutes,
In 5 minutes, they 9 by 100 into 5,
5 by 9 by 100. So
9 by 20.
9 by 20 of work is
Done in 5 minutes.
over. Now how much is left? How much work is
Uh,
left?
1 minus 9 by 20 is equals to 20 minus 9
11 by 20 of work is
of work is left.
left. Okay. So remaining work Ashish has to do. Ashish, 1 minute work is 1 by 20. In how much time you will complete 11 by 20 of the work? Sujit, cross multiplication. 1 into 11 by 20 is what? 1 by 20 into x. 20 is equal to
11
11 minutes.
minutes
Ashish takes to complete
to complete the remaining work.
remaining like this way. Like this way. Okay, almost all sums are coming same way. So, okay, next question. Okay. Meghana, is your disturbance over?
Yes, sir.
A can complete work in 6 days. B can complete work in 4 days. A started work. A started work done for 2 days. And then B jump. Then B jump. Then B jump. Then B jump. How much time they will take to complete the remaining work? Together, how much time they will take? Together. Together, how much time? Yeah.
Yes, sir. A's 1 day work is 1 by 6.
1 day work is 1 by 6.
Um,
2 day work is
2 by 6.
2 by 6 means 1/3 of work is
Completed. Done.
very good. Now together work.
Together, A plus 1 by x plus 1 by
Normally
y.
together work is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 and 4 LCM
24.
10. 6 4 the
4 plus
4
6.
10 by
10
10.
by 24.
2 5 the
5s are 12s are 5 by 12.
Normally 5 12 work they complete in 1 day
1 day.
together. Okay. So, but 1/3 of work is over. How much work is left? 2/3 of work is left. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So together, in 1 day they can complete how much work?
5 by 12.
5 to 8. In how many days they can complete 2/3? So,
2/3.
yeah, cross. So, is it
One.
cross multiplication?
1 into 2 by 3 is equal to x into 5 into 5 by 12. Yes.
Okay. 12 goes up, 5 comes out. That x is equal to
X is equal to
2 into
2 into 12 by 3 into 5.
so how much is that x is equal to?
8 by 5.
Divide with 8, 5 on the 5.
Uh,
So 1 3 by
3 by
5
5 they,
days
days they will take to do the remaining.
they take to complete the remaining work.
Remaining work.
They take to complete the remaining work. Okay, children, I think it is going somewhere wrong. It's going somewhere wrong. Where it went wrong, Meghana, I think here 1 by 6 we have taken wrong. Yes, where it went wrong, children? 1/3 of the work is over. 2/3 of the work is left over. In together they are doing in 1 day 5 by 12 of work. In how many days they complete 2/3 of the work? X 1 into they are divided is 24. 4 is 4 by 5. 1 3 by 5. Remaining work they are completing 1 3 by 5 is same work. Okay. This children where we might have done wrong 3 3 by 5 is the answer. Oh, where we might have done wrong. But he is doing continuously work, children, but we joined in the middle. So after 2 days, 1/3 of the work is over. Now together they are doing in 1 day 5 by 12 of work. started the work for 2 days and then joined week by week. So what is the mistake we did, children? Yeah, anyone?
Sir, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, sir. We need to do all this.
1 by 3. Huh?
Yes, sir. 1 by 3.
6 days over, Nana. Why 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4? Why, Nana?
Sir, because he joined after 2 days.
Okay.
After the 2 days.
So 2 days work is 1 by 3. Yeah. After 2 days he joined. His base is 1 by 3. 2 days he joined. So after 2 days he joined means the work is over. Yeah, children. 1 second. So 2 days means 2 days. Questions. 6 days and we start working. And then find the total time taken to complete the work. Yeah. So we see 1/3 of the work is that is 1/3 of the work is over. So 1/3 of the work is over. Let's take 3 and see children as Raghuram is saying. Let's take 3 and see whether we get correct answer. Let's take 3 because only 1/3 of the work is there. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Let's see these 4s are 3s are 7 by 12 is they can do in 1 day. 7 by 12 they can do in 1 day. Okay. In 1 day they can do 7 by 12. So 1/3 of the work is over. 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3 is left. 2 by 3 is left. So they can do together work in 1 by 7 days. In 1 day they can do 7 by 12 of work. In how many days they will take 12 by 2 by 3 of work? In how many days they will take 2 by 3 of work? Let's do cross multiplication. 1 is 2 by 3 plus x into 7 by 3. 4 is the 8. 8 by 7. 8 by 7. So 1 by 7 will be another. Where did make a went wrong? Where did we wrong?
Sir, yes,
One second, let me check that. Is 1 day working 6 days? Is 1 day working?
so once can you repeat the question? There was an auto going, so
So is 1 day work 1 by 6. Is 1 day work
B 1 by 1, 1 by 4. Is it 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4 is equal to LCM 12.
6 to
2 plus 3, 5 by 12.
5 by 2. But A alone worked for 2 days. In 1
A
day he will
alone
do
for
1
2
by
days.
6 of work.
So
In
2 days we do 1 by 3, 2 by 6 or 1 by 3.
1 by 4 work is over. 1 minus 1 by 3 is
1 minus 1 by 3 is
3
2 by
work
3.
is left. 2 by 3 work is left. Okay, so in 1 day they can complete together 5 by 2.
5 by 12 of the work and left is 8 by 12.
In how many days they will complete 2 by 12? Like this we need to do.
Cross multiplication. 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 12 into x. 3 and 4 cancelled. 8. 8 by 5.
Therefore,
1 3 by 5 of the day.
but they are giving answer 3 1 by 5. They are giving answer something 3 by 5 days. Maybe I think children this answer is wrong. We'll check one more some children. If it is also going wrong, then ours is mistake. We'll check next question. Someone, any one of you, please check the in the Google also children answer. Someone. 16 some I will be the link. Can anyone check the answer? We are getting
Sir, total time taken to complete the work by A and B is equal to 2 plus 8 by 5.
Total time taken to complete the work. अच्छा ना we did work correct होती ना. What we
8
got?
by 5 is correct only, sir. After that, we miss.
8 by 5 is correct only. What is the means? Already 2 days work is over. No, that also they are adding. That's all. Yeah, all of you understood, children. This is correct only. But first 2 days A work alone, that 2 days also they are adding, children. That's all.
Yes, sir. In the starting. Okay.
8 plus 10, that is 18 by 5. That is 5. What we did is correct only, children.
3 by 5 days, sir.
Yeah, very good. So they are adding 2 days also. First A days, 2 days also they are adding. That's all. Remaining everything is correct. Sorry for to take your time. 16th question. 16th question, children. So 6 men can complete the building in 7 days. 6 men will take to complete the building in 7 days. How many men will take? How many days? 21 men will take to do the same work. Children, 21 men will take more days or less days?
Less days, sir.
21 men will take more days or less days?
Less days, sir. Less days.
So it is inverse proportion. It is
So
inverse.
6 into 7 is equal to 21
So
into
6
X.
by 21 is equal. If it is direct proportion, we take 7 by x. Since it is inverse proportion, take x by 7.
X by
If it
7.
is direct proportion, 6 by 21 equals 7 by x. If it is inverse proportion,
Sir,
6 by
simply we
21
can
is
multiply 7 and 6 and 21 and X. No, sir.
yeah, we can get that. So 7 is the 3 is the so answer is 21 men can complete the building same work in
2 days.
2 days. Please mute your audio. 8 men can do piece of work. Sujit. 8 men can take do a piece of work in 9 days. Sujit. 8 men can do a piece of work in 9 days. Okay. So 6 men will take how many days? Sujit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
8 men taking 9 days, 6 men will take how many? Is it direct or inverse proportion? 8 men are taking 9 days. 6 men will take more days or less days?
The-
6 men will take more days or less days? 8 men are taking 9 days.
sir.
More days, sir.
6 men will take more days because number of people are reducing means your time of work will increase. So is it direct or inverse proportion?
Inverse proportion.
So tell me 8 by 6 is equal to
8 by 6 is equal to x by 9.
x by 9. Take 9 here. 2 4s are 2 3s are 3. So how much days? 12 days. 6 men will take. Sujit. 18th question. Rima weaves 35 baskets in 25 days. Sujit. 35 baskets she will weave in 25 days. 35 baskets she weaves in 25 days. In how many days 55 baskets she will weave? Sujit, is it direct or inverse proportion?
The-
25 days, 35 baskets. If you want to be 55 baskets, you will take more days or less days?
Sir, it will take
More baskets means if you take more days or less days? If baskets are increasing, days will increase or decrease? From which planet you came? 25 days, 35 baskets. To weave 55 baskets, you take more number of days or less number of days?
less, sir.
More number of days, direct proportion. More number of days. Tell me, direct proportion is 35 by 55 is equal.
35 by 5 is equal to 25 by x.
Tell.
If 35 into x is equal to 55 into 25, x is equal to 55 into 25 by 35.
Okay. 5 5 is a question. X is equal to
175 by
175 by 7 is how much?
uh, that
35 days. 35 days it will take 35 days it will take to weave 55 baskets. 35 days it will take to weave 55 baskets. Okay. Next question. So children, till 18th I told children, some more are there. We'll do remaining questions tomorrow, children.